Pretty meets practical with the Dark Moon Plain Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. The Dark Moon Plain Mirror, with its modern pull-shaped design and sandblasted black edging, goes well with black tapware and other black-inspired accessories, and works well with round or oval basins, both single and double. It is suited to bathrooms, hallways, dressing rooms and walk-in wardrobes, hung landscape or portrait, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity and greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Dark Moon Plain Mirror carries the LiveGreen logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Reflect your own personality and unique style with the Dark Moon Plain Mirror and its iconic design.